Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how can we create multiple custom column in one go in Power Query Editor. First we go to add column, there we select custom columns. Now we have to use the square brackets inside that, then we give the first column name and its associated expression. Here it is total price. Equals order quantity. Into unit price. Now for second column we put comma and write the second column name and its expression here. It is total cost. Equals order quantity. Into unit cost. And here comes the interesting thing, that you can use the above created columns to create another column inside this. Now put comma and write the expression for third column, that is profit equals total price minus total cost. Now we are done with the expression. We will click on OK. Now you can see that it is showing a column name custom. That contains record. Whenever you use square brackets in the custom column expression, it denotes the records. Now we will expand the custom column and we can see all the three columns: total price, total cost and profit. Check the data type of all the column and do changes if required. Thank you. Keep watching to learn more.